y is greater than 14, 4x plus y is less than 18. The point x 53 is a solution to the system of inequalities in the xy plane. Which of the following could be the value of x? All right, again, two ways to do this, just like with the previous problem. You can do this graphically in your graphing calculator. You can do it mathematically. If you choose to put this in your graphing calculator, you're going to get something that looks like this. Y is greater than 14. If you were to graph y equals 14, it would be a horizontal line, but because it's greater than and not greater than and equal to, or equal to, it's going to be a dashed horizontal line. And this is not drawn to scale. Please ignore the grid marks in the background. This is going to be right here. This is 14. So this is y equals, oh, sorry, excuse me, not y equals, y is greater than 14. Also, when you have a greater than, when you're graphing, there's going to be some shading because there's a lot of places where y is greater than 14, not just right next to this line. So when you put this in your graphing calculator, it's going to have all this shaded. And let's change this and make this blue. So we have blue line, blue shading. Let's see what's what here. All of this will be shaded because every point in this shaded area makes this statement true where y is greater than 14 for that point. All right, the other one, 4x plus y is less than 18. That's going to be a negative sloped line, a line with a y-intercept of 18 and a slope of negative 4. So it's going to be very steep. And again, it's a less than, so it's going to be a dashed line. And again, this is just like a little rough sort of approximation to show you what's going on. And this one is going to be shaded on the left side of it when you put it in your graphing calculator. So everything over here, every point in this shaded area is what makes it true. Now, the solution of the system of equations is the part where they overlap up here. It has to be true for both. So it's the shaded area. It's the area where both of the shaded areas overlap. That's the solution to the system of equations. So the question is, the point x53 is a solution to the system of equations. Which of the following could be the value of x? So you're going to zoom out and you're going to find where y is 53, because that's what you're looking for. X is, we don't know, and the y is 53. So you're going to go up here until you find where y is 53. And you're going to, because it's going to keep going up this way. And you're going to look and see which of these x values is in that shaded area when y is 53. Is it 9? Is it 5? Is it negative 5? Is it negative 9? Those are our four options. So you're going to look at that 53. You're going to kind of look at it over with your eyes and go, okay, once it gets in the shaded area, which of these 4 points could it be? That's the graphing way. Like if I'm at x is negative 5, am I in the shaded area? The doubly shaded area, that's important because all of these are going to be in this blue shaded area because it goes this whole way across all the way up. So all four of these options will be in that blue shaded area. It has to be in the area where they're both shaded. So anytime, they ask, could this be a solution? Double shaded area. So that's the graphical method to do it. The mathematical method, I think, is actually a little quicker, but it doesn't matter which one you use. They're both going to give you the same answer. So we know x, and we don't know x, excuse me, and we know that y is 53. Which of the following could be the value of x? All right, so x, 53. Well, the first equation, y is greater than 14. If I plug 53 in there, that's true. I don't have to do anything else. But what about the second one? The second equation, 4x plus y is less than 18. If y is 53, what must x be? Let's just do the math. Let's plug 53 in for y, and let's solve for x. So I'm adding 53. I want to undo that. I want to subtract 53 from both sides. And I'm going to get 4x on the left, and let's see, 18 minus 53 is negative 35. So I have now 4x is less than negative 35. To get rid of that 4, this is being multiplied, x times 4. We want to do the opposite. We want to divide by 4. And so I just have an x on the left, and then I am dividing by a positive number, so I do not have to flip this sign. Be careful of that. If this were dividing by a negative, you would have to flip that sign. Dividing by a positive, you don't. So negative 35 divided by 4 is negative 8 3/4. So what I have learned is that when y is 53, x must be less than negative 8 3/4. Which of these makes that true? The only one that is less than negative 8 3/4 is A, negative 9. And that's my answer. Hey guys, if you want to help me keep making these videos, please check out my Spreadshop and Etsy stores. Links are down below, where you can find fun things like this slightly sarcastic coffee mug or this slightly arrogant sweatshirt. And if this was helpful or useful in any way, please let YouTube know so I can keep helping you and others like you. Comment, like, share, subscribe. You know the drill. Thank you so much for stopping by. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.